PST files, or personal storage table files, are a fundamental component of Microsoft Outlook for storing email data locally on your computer. PST files store various types of Outlook data, including email messages, calendar events, contacts, and other mailbox items in a single file on your local computer. Microsoft has significantly enhanced PST file handling in Outlook 365 for 2025. These improvements include enhanced Unicode PST formats with better corruption resistance, seamless cloud integration, and automated migration tools. There are two primary methods for opening PST files in Outlook 365. The Import-Export wizard imports PST data directly into your mailbox, while opening as a data file keeps the PST content in a separate folder structure. The Import-Export wizard provides a step-by-step interface for importing PST files. You can access it through the File menu, then Open and Export, and finally Import-Export. For the second method, you use the same File menu, but select Open Outlook Data File instead. This opens the PST file as a separate data source in your folder list. Before opening PST files, ensure your system meets the technical requirements. You need Windows 10 or 11, or macOS 10.15 or later, Outlook 365 version 23001 or newer, available storage space of at least twice the PST file size, and a minimum of 4 GB of RAM, though 8 GB is recommended for large files. Once opened, PST files can be managed through Account Settings in the Data Files tab. Remember that PST files have a maximum size limit of 50 GB in standard configuration, or 100 GB with registry modifications. Choose your opening method based on whether you need permanent integration or temporary access to the PST data. There are two main methods to open PST files in Outlook 365. Let's start with method 1, using the Import-Export wizard. Step 1. Open Outlook 365 and ensure you're signed in to your Microsoft 365 account. This is essential for accessing the import features. Step 2. Click on File, then Open and Export, and finally Import-Export. This opens the Import and Export wizard. Step 3. In the Import and Export wizard, select Import from another program or file, then choose Outlook Data File.pst. Step 4. Browse and select your PST file from your computer. You'll also need to choose how to handle duplicate items during the import process. Step 5. Select the destination folder, usually your main mailbox. Check Include subfolders if you want to import all folder structures from the PST file. Step 6. Click Finish to complete the import process. Outlook will now import all the data from your PST file into your mailbox. Now let's look at method 2, which opens the PST file as a separate data file rather than importing its contents. Step 1, go to File, then Account Settings, and select Data Files. This opens the Data File Management dialog. Step 2, click Add and Browse to select your PST file. This will add the PST file as a data source without importing its contents. Step 3, the PST file will now appear as a separate folder tree in your left navigation pane. Its content remains separate from your main mailbox, allowing you to access archived emails without mixing them with current messages. Both methods are effective for accessing PST files. Method 1 imports the data into your mailbox, while Method 2 keeps it separate. Choose the method that best fits your workflow and storage needs.